Here, in 3 simple graphs, is the proof that, as the EN standard states, it is dangerous to use permeation test breakthrough as an indication that a chemical suit will protect against a given chemical. On this graph, we have the time in minutes on the x-axis and the rate of permeation on the y-axis. And we can see how when the chemical comes into contact with the fabric, at first, nothing happens. But then, permeation is first identified, and over time, more and more molecules permeate through at an increasing rate. Now, in the EN test, the breakthrough, or normalized breakthrough, is measured when the rate of permeation reaches 1 microgram per centimetre squared per minute, so at this dotted red line. And the test is terminated after 480 minutes. So if the threshold speed is not reached by that time, a breakthrough of greater than 480 minutes is given. But you can see that the chemical first permeated through the fabric long before that, at only 120 minutes, and has been permeating at an increasing speed and possibly contaminating the wearer for 360 minutes before that given breakthrough time. And in the case of toxic chemicals, this could be disastrous. And look, for another fabric, there might be no permeation at all for the whole period, in which case the threshold speed is also never reached and breakthrough is again given as greater than 480 minutes. And for a third fabric, permeation begins immediately, but the speed levels off just below the threshold. Once again, that threshold is not breached, so breakthrough is given as greater than 480 minutes. In each of these cases, the test would produce the same breakthrough time, greater than 480 minutes, so users would assume that the garments are all the same and are all safe to wear. Yet they are very different, and only in one case is there zero permeation of the chemical through the fabric. In the other 2 cases, there is considerable permeation long before the breakthrough time, so any conclusion of adequate protection is simply wrong. And if you doubt this, it's worth noting that the EN standard itself describes this third example as the classic reason why it can be dangerous to base safe use of a chemical suit on the permeation test breakthrough time.